Every journey begins with a single step, and every acorn grows from nurturing soil. At Northoaks Primary, we plant the seeds of identity and culture, rooted in values, traditions, and community spirit. Through celebrations and learning experiences, our students discover who they are and where they belong. In this fertile soil, every child takes root, ready to grow and flourish.
Being an MC and actor for Chinese New Year celebrations was such an exciting experience. I gained confidence and learned more about Chinese culture. My friends and I also enjoyed using recycled materials to make apples during the recess activities.
It was a joyous celebration filled with music and singing. My friends also enjoyed the ketupat scavenger hunt during recess. We had so much fun finding the hidden ketupat stickers. Taking part in the celebration taught me to be grateful for the people around me and most importantly, to always treasure the bonds that we share as a family.
I felt happy when the parent volunteer did henna on my hand. I showed my appreciation by saying thank you to them. This activity helped us understand the Hindu tradition better. The instrumental performance during the Deepavali assembly was fun too.
I learned how to play congkak at one of the recess booths. I felt happy and excited as I tried the game with my friends. I also noticed how everyone treated one another with respect and patience. Playing congkak reminded me to appreciate different culture and to learn from one another.
Seeds need more than soil to grow. They need care and love. At Northoaks, we nurture our students through the heart values: honesty, empathy, appreciation, respect, responsibility, and tenacity. Every lesson and encouragement strengthens their roots, shaping learners who are not only knowledgeable but also kind, resilient, and ready to face the world, where character blossoms and hearts grow tall like oaks.
When I made mistakes during practice, I refused to give up. I practiced again and again, and on Teacher's Day, I gave it my all. Northoaks Got Talent taught me that confidence doesn't mean being perfect, it means daring to try, even when you're scared. That moment showed me that with tenacity and courage, I can rise above fear and shine.
My favorite was the bouncy castle. It was so fun. In class, we also played many games, and my favorite was the one where we made a paper box. At first, it seemed easy, but it got harder as we went along. I learned that even when something is difficult, if I keep trying, I can do it.
As the seedling grows, its roots stretch deep and its leaves reach for the sky. At Northoaks, learning takes root through curiosity and effort. Every question asked, experiment conducted, and challenge embraced strengthens our students' foundation.
I love Cinderella a lot, so I dressed up as her during book character dress-up day. It was so interesting to see friends and teachers walking around school dressed as characters from the book.
I enjoyed the storytelling session by Mr. Owl, who shared a story about the rabbit and the fox. It taught me how to have empathy and be kind to myself and friends. I clapped along when Mr. Cho sang a song for us. I had great fun reading with my parents and friends too.
My favorite part was creating posters about the characters in our book. I had so many exciting discussions with my teammates.
I learned that when we listen to others and appreciate their perspectives, we grow together as readers and friends.
I felt scared and excited speaking in front of a big crowd, but I delivered my speech with confidence as the practice sessions had made me well prepared for this moment.
I'm proud of myself for persevering throughout this journey.
Preparation for the competition gave me real confidence. Though nervousness hit me the moment I stepped in, my friend helped me steady my focus. It was an amazing experience. Next time, I will aim to improve and perform better.
My teammates and I worked hard to fit all the triangle pieces together. When we finally did it, we felt so satisfied.
When everyone shares ideas and helps one another, we can achieve anything together.
My partner and I had to fit paper pieces perfectly into a box. It was really tricky. When we finally got it right, I felt so proud of us.
It made me realize that math isn't just about numbers. It's also about teamwork, patience, and never giving up.
My classmates and I went around taking photos of right angles, parallel lines, and all sorts of shapes that we could find.
This experience helped me to see math in real life and made learning so much more fun. Although I faced some challenges, my friends were always there to help me. I felt happy because we worked together and completed all the tasks. I learned how to be responsible in doing my part and to respect my group members' opinions. I was proud that we didn't give up and finished the trail together.
I remember performing as the science busker at Marina Square and at the Science Centre.
It was both exciting and a little scary, but I felt proud and satisfied after the performance. I learned that competitions aren't just about winning, they're about enjoying the journey and sharing our passion.
This experience taught me to be brave and keep spreading the joy of science to others.
What I remember most was building a boat with my teammates. We had to choose the right materials so that it could flow and move. I was thrilled when it finally worked.
When we persevere and support one another, we can overcome any challenge.
My group and I brainstormed ideas to help the elderly living in old folks' home. We designed a simple circuit for an alarm button that allows the elderly to alert others and seek help quickly.
This experience made our learning truly meaningful.
闯关游戏考验我们对华文传统文化的了解，在过程中，我们学会了不少成语，如何正确的把棋子摆在棋盘上，也学会了打中国结。
在我们一阵七手八脚、手忙脚乱下，我们最后还是成功完成任务了。学习华文真有趣！
我们一起为故事集思广益，绘制插图。看到完成的绘本，我感到非常开心，也很有成就感。我体会到，只要大家齐心协力，就能创作出属于我们的精彩绘本。
Saya berasa sangat bangga kerana saya dapat untuk mengambil bahagian dalam peraduan mengarang.
Saya berlatih untuk peraduan itu dengan membaca karangan contoh dan menghafal frasa-frasa berbunga. Di akhir peraduan itu, saya berjaya meraih tempat kedua. Saya pelajari bahawa kejayaan memerlukan usaha dan ketabahan. Jika kita terus berusaha, kita pasti boleh mencapai impian kita.
Pengalaman itu membuat saya lebih yakin untuk terus mencuba dan tidak menyerah.
Aktiviti ini membuat saya lebih faham tentang budaya saya sendiri dan membuatkan saya bangga menjadi anak Melayu. Saya juga pelajari untuk menghormati guru dan kawan-kawan semasa aktiviti dijalankan. Saya berasa seronok dapat belajar sesuatu yang dekat dengan diri saya.
என் தாய்மொழி திறமைகள் காட்சிக்காக நான் மேடையில் ஒரு உரை நிகழ்த்தினேன். உரை முடிந்த பின் தைரியமாகவும் முழு மனத்துடன் முயற்சி செய்ததற்காக என் மீது பெருமை கொண்டேன். இந்த அனுபவம் எனக்கு என்னை நம்பிக்கையுடன் இருக்க கற்றுத் தந்தது. ஒரு சொல் ஒரு உரை என முன்னேறினேன்.
நானும் என் தோழி மினாராவும் ராஃபல்ஸ் கல்வி நிலையம் நடத்திய செய்யுள் காணும் கண்கள் எனும் போட்டியில் கலந்து கொண்டோம். நாங்கள் இருவரும் இப்போட்டிக்காக கடுமையாக பயிற்சி செய்தோம். எங்களுக்கு கொடுத்த இந்த செய்யுள், திருக்குறள், ஆத்திச்சூடி முதலியவற்றை மனனம் செய்தோம்.
எங்களுடைய பெற்றோரும் ஆசிரியரும் எங்களுக்கு உறுதுணையாக இருந்தார்கள். அவர்களின் உதவியும் எங்களுடைய விடாமுயற்சியும் எங்களுக்கு முதல் பரிசை பெற்று தந்தது.
Most about the traditional Chinese medicine learning at Nanyang Primary. I felt very lucky to have such an opportunity to meet new friends from other schools. My Nanyang Primary School buddy and I showed respect to each other, and we all had fun visiting the game booths together.
I had a wonderful time at the Voices of Singapore Festival. I got to sing with my friends and even play fun games with choir group from other schools. Choir practice has allowed me to express myself through music and share the joy of singing as one united choir.
It is my pleasure to serve as the captain of the netball team. I had the chance to lead my team and hone my leadership skills. I truly enjoyed the time spent on the court with them. Not only did we persevere, but we also appreciated each other's effort and encouraged one another.
That's what the best team looks like, isn't it?
Soon, the young oak begins to bud. Small signs of potential ready to bloom. At Northoaks, students discover the power of unity through sports and collaborative activities. Every game, every success, every moment of support teaches resilience, teamwork, and the joy of working together. And then, the oak stands tall, its branches stretching wide. Here, our students flourish, not only in knowledge and skill, but in character and leadership. They shine in academics, the arts, and the community, ready to embrace new challenges. Every achievement and act of courage reflects their growth, a celebration of hard work, determination, and spirit.
I felt excited and honored to lead the pledge at the Student Leaders Investiture as the newly elected head prefect. As I saw my fellow student leaders standing by my side, I knew I was not alone in this leadership journey.
Through this experience, I learned that true leadership is not just about leading, it's about listening, supporting one another, and growing together.
I still remember climbing the high elements. My legs were wobbly, but my friend kept cheering, "You can do it!" Their encouragement gave me strength and I completed the challenge. When we cooked pizza together, we laughed, learned, and worked as one team.
The P5 camp taught me that with teamwork and courage, we're always stronger together.
I enjoyed the visit to the Science Museum. I was amazed by the discoveries and knowledge shared by the brilliant scientists and historians. Going on a new adventure certainly helps us to gain more knowledge.
For the first time, I traveled without my parents. I fed animals, explored nature, and discovered the beauty of Sarawak's culture. Along the way, I learned empathy and to respect our differences.
It was more than just a trip, it was a journey of growth.
From tiny acorns to towering oaks, our garden thrives with promise and pride. Rooted in heart, nurtured by teachers, supported by peers, and celebrated by families.